Okay, so today I'm going to discuss about the bags, the DSLR bag. Okay, so this is my current bag which I have to hold up all my gears. One DSLR, one flash unit, one 7300, and I have one more lens over here. But recently I purchased a couple of more lenses and I have a GoPro and their accessories, so this bag is not fitting up. But I want to give you a review about this bag, as this has been my go-to bag for last since 3 years, and it has been pretty sturdy, and you can see there is no cut mark, no wear and tear, nothing at all. So let's get into it. So I have one DSLR with 18105. This is 17300, my flash unit, and I have this 50 mm lens. So yep, that's all it has. So it has a lot of pockets where you can put your filters, you can put your remote control, your documents, anything. These are very strong, well curved, and still after 3 years you can see how strong they are. This is another pocket where you can put your triggers, maybe another lens you can keep it in. There's a zipper over here to again keep cloth maybe, or document. It comes with these two loops which you can attach something which you don't want to lose. It has a weather cover as well. It's currently in my cupboard. These are very strong wheel covers. If you tear them, it will sound like this. So you can understand from the sound how strong they are. These are the rear pocket for maybe a tab. A 10-inch tab can easily fit in over here. So this is my Think Tank Retrospective 7 series. It was around 9,000 INR at the time I bought. Currently I'm not sure what is the price of it, but it is a very good bag, and it has been with me in every weather condition, every tough situations, and it has never given up. It has protected my gear very well, and this was my companion till now. But now I have to purchase a new one. So yesterday I purchased this bag. This is Low Pro, as you can see. This is Low Pro, and it is Pro Tactic 450 AW. This is all. I purchased this bag after a lot of research, a lot of videos I watched on the YouTube. Many people suggested this bag, and so I purchased it. It costed me around 13,000 INR again. So this video is all about this bag, which will be my go-to bag going forward, and can carry a lot of stuff for me. This is a pretty huge bag. This is a solid top over here. There is one opening over here. You can see there is a pocket over here. I have kept my torch over here. This is a small pocket where I have kept all my memory cards, and you can put this is my camera, so I can put it over here, or maybe like this. And so this is one access point. It was in a poly bag, and the first impression was wow, because the build quality seems very good. These stitches are being strengthened so they can hold up a weight and they can serve a purpose to you. I'll show they have a purpose. They have 3 attachments with this bag which you can use, and they have given these 2. One is this, one is this. 2 buckles, so you can tie up your tripod over here, or on this side, or on this side. So let's talk about the pockets. So the one pocket which you have seen over here, which is the top one, it is pretty solid. The another one is this one, small one, but you can keep all your small triggers, small memory card, maybe anything else over here. Maybe a GoPro can fit in over here. This is one opening for a camera access right over here. So I've set it in a different way. I'll show it to you. So this is one camera opening. The other camera opening is on this side. You can see. And another pocket over here. I've kept my GoPro remote over here, and this also has this loop which will keep your items safe. The zips which we have are pretty good. They have these loops which you can use easily and to unzip and zip these things. The padding over here is active zone, which they call, which keeps the bag comfortable and airy. You don't get sweat when you have this backpack on your back. These are the straps which also have the same kind of thing. These chest strap, these are adjustable. You can adjust the height or the where you want to attach them, where you want to keep it, which is comfortable to you. This is again elastic, where you can maybe with the different GoPro mount, you can have it over here and you can take a shoulder view. This is also a loop where you can attach something. So a lot of options you can see, a lot of options. These buckles are very strong, you can tie up anything. Let's open this thing. You have a tie up over here, so it has two pockets. This is detachable. You can just unbuckle this thing and you can just take it out. It's very hard, so I'm not taking it out as of now because I need it. I'll keep it on. Alright, now, so this is the area where it has the waterproof jacket for this bag. It covers the complete bag. Let me show you. So this is the jacket. So it keeps your armor safe from the water. And once you're done, you can just put it back inside. And there is a Velcro. You can just attach it like this. And you can see a small umbrella mark over here. The another thing is that this bag has this handle, which is pretty good, steady, and there is another handle over here, so you can lift it like this. It's very easy. All right, so now let's get into the main compartment, which opens from the back like this, and here is your compartment. Now these have the adjustable Velcros, so you can easily design the way you want. I have kept my so this is my GoPro accessory. So now what I can do is I can just put my camera is over here. I can put my flash over here, lens 7300, and over here I can put another my GoPro stuff over here, which is good. This has a compartment for laptop. It can fit 15-inch laptop easily. And you have two pockets over here. I have kept my remote over here. My filters are here. Cables are here. These are plastic material, so water will not get into it. Now it comes with these three attachments, which I'll show you how to attach. One is your tripod. You can carry your tripod easily with those buckle straps. One is a small pouch. It looks small, but it has a pretty good space in it. You can see. You can carry extra batteries, or maybe if you want to carry the charger for your camera, you can carry it easily. And this thing is for your water bottle or maybe anything else. So you can carry things over here as well. So I'll just keep these aside. So this is the opening. These are two openings for side opening if you want. Okay, so let's mount this. This is my Gorilla Pod, which I use for my vlogging. Now it is fairly easy to attach it. We can use this attachment which is for tripod, and this is not only for this thing, you can attach any heavy duty tripod as well. So I'll attach it over here, just slip it in. Because of the velcro it will go a little tight. Once it is in, just that's it. Now I will slip one of the leg of the tripod in here and tie it up with this. Now you see it's tight, so I can just lift this up and loosen it up a bit. Tighten up and I'll just put it up. Now my tripod is tight, it will not go anywhere. I can carry it with my bag on my backpack. That's very good. You can adjust the height, you can adjust if you wanted to put this attachment over here, you can do that. Over here you can do that. It's pretty flexible. That is what I really like about this bag, that you can play with the settings, play with these attachments and mount it anywhere. Now let's mount this bottle holder. I'll attach it over here. As generally we have backpacks where we have the water bottles on the side, so I'll just attach it. That's it. Now you can put your water bottle or maybe something else over here and you can just tie it up and it will not go anywhere. So now it is pretty stable and it will not go anywhere. Now let's attach this pouch. It's a small pouch and it can carry a huge things. So now let's attach this thing. I'll prefer it over here, and same way we did earlier, we'll just slip it in, velcro all everywhere, and that's it. Now the best thing about this bag is you can detach these things and arrange it all over the place as you want, as you are comfortable. These things are pretty sturdy. They have been extra stitched to make it strong so they can hold up the load, like the tripod load. I have attached my own buckle, so I can some extra thing which I can attach over here, maybe my power bank. So yes guys, so this is my first impression to this bag, and the first impression is very good. It has a positive impression on me. Holds very good, very strong at the top. I put my camera over here, so that's the camera opening for me, and I'm looking forward to it for to use it from in the recent trips which I'm going to take. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment in the section below, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel so that you can get more and more videos like this, and it will encourage me as well to develop or create such more videos for you guys, so I can share my life, my product reviews with you. It will help you guys to decide on which bag, on which product you want to buy or not. It helped me because whenever I decide to buy a product, I do like to see the reviews, the unbox videos, the review videos of that product, and then I decide. Thank you. Have a good day. Remember friends, हर एक दोस्त कमीना होता है, पर हर एक कमीना दोस्त नहीं हो सकती. With that, I'm signing off. Take care.